Richard Satchwell gave no reaction when he was found guilty here at the Criminal Courts of Justice just after 12:25 this afternoon by unanimous verdict of the jury. There was crying at the back of the court following the verdict, and Mr. Justice Paul McDermott thanked the jury for their service. Tina's half-sister Lorraine Howard and her cousin Sarah Howard spoke to the media following today's verdict.
Tina was our precious sister, cousin, auntie and daughter. Her presence in our life meant so much to us all. We as a family can never put into words the impact of her loss that has had on all of us. Tina was a kind, loving, gentle soul who loved her animals like they loved her, and that's the way we want her remembered. Today as a family, we finally have justice for Tina.
Tina Satchwell was reported missing on the 24th of March 2017, and her body was found buried under the stairs of her home on Grattan Street in Youghal during a search in October 2023. Richard Satchwell consistently said that Tina had left the house in Youghal while he was in Dungarvan in County Waterford, and only changed his story 6.5 years later following the discovery of Tina's body. The jury at Court 6 at the Central Criminal Court in Dublin heard his defence was that Tina had attacked him with a chisel on the 20th of March 2017 and he had buried her following a struggle in which she had died. Richard Satchwell pled not guilty to the single charge of murder. The jury of 7 women and 5 men did not believe his defence, and he was found guilty unanimously of the murder of Tina Satchwell. A mandatory life sentence is due to be imposed on Richard Satchwell on June 4th next.